In the vast sky, the eagle soars, through clouds and storms, but crows often follow behind, petting, cawing, and taunting its butt. The eagle doesn't contend. It doesn't bow its head, nor does it retaliate. It simply lets out a silent cry, stretches its wings upward, and flies high, until the air faints. The crows can no longer breed, and then it retreats. Isn't life much the same? When you are destined to fly high, you will always encounter crows cawing behind you. Taoism says, the highest good is like water, which benefits all things without striving. Truly strong people never fuss over trivial matters. If the eagle argues with the crows, its wings will be covered in dust. It will no longer be the king of the sky, but merely a common bird entangled with the crows. To laugh a laugh while one does not conform to the clamor, and does not argue with the ignorant, is a state of mind, and even more so, a wisdom. The more you understand the importance of not competing, the more you can maintain inner clarity and composure. Because when you argue with a crow, you already lowered your own standards. Lao Tzu said, "He who conquers others is strong, he who conquers himself is mighty." True victory is not about defeating others, but about conquering your own emotions and attachments. There are too many voices in the world, questioning, envious, and negative. If you are led astray by them, you will be dragged down into the dust. The meaning of spiritual practice is not to escape the world, but to cultivate a heart undisturbed by external influences. Like an eagle, do not change direction because of the crow's cawing, and do not doubt yourself because of the opinions of others. Your path is guided by your own wind. As long as the wind is there, you can continue to fly. Those who fly high are destined to learn to walk alone. The higher you go, the thinner and quieter it becomes. At the highest point, the eagle hears no clamor, only the sound of the wind and the echo of heaven and earth. Life is like that. As you reach the heights of growth, you find fewer and fewer people understand you. But that's not loneliness. It's the tranquility of the strong. As the Taoism says, communing alone with the spirit of heaven and earth, without arrogance towards all things. When you can converse with your own soul, all external judgments become insignificant. So, when crows call behind you, don't turn around. You are an eagle, destined to soar to higher skies. No need to prove, no need to argue. Just fly silently, letting altitude be the best response. Because true strength is never displayed in the clamor, but at the end of the wind, in the depths of the clouds, in that wordless peace, achieving your own vastness and freedom. Life is a journey of self-cultivation, cultivating a detached mind, a non-competitive heart, cultivating rather than striving, ascend. Remember, you are an eagle. No need to argue with crows. As you fly higher and higher, the world will naturally quiet down.